Welcome to Sklearning, the series of ADF questions. In today's video, we'll break down ADF, a powerful cloud-based ETL service for data integration. If you're new to Azure or data engineering, make sure to subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Let's start another question. How does ADF integrate with Azure DevOps? Use Git integration for version control. Deploy pipelines via CI/CD using Azure DevOps pipelines. Another question, what is a self-hosted integration runtime? IR. It allows on-premises data movement by installing an agent on a local machine, enabling secure connectivity between on-prem databases and cloud. Another question, how can you optimize performance in ADF? Use partitioning in data flow for large datasets. Enable parallel execution in copy activity. Use staging in copy activity to improve speed. Optimize source queries using indexes.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Sklearning for more informative content.